Happy Thursday. Welcome back. I hope that you've had a good first 3 days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You should have read about epic migrations so far and listened to a TED Talk about bird migrations, again, answering questions about informative text. Today, we are going to practice informative writing, and it's little mini writings, little tiny writings. They're called captions. You usually see these around photographs, especially in the newspaper or magazines, or like in our example from Monday, epic bird migrations. We had lots of captions underneath those pictures. So what is a caption? What is our goal today? Our goal is to answer a prompt. So I'm going to give you a photograph, and I'm going to give you a little some facts about that photograph. And then I want you to practice writing a caption. What is a caption? It's a short explanation of what's going on in the picture. It's usually around the picture. It's either on the bottom of the picture, or it's at the top, or it's located on the side. And it accompanies the picture. And that's important because the picture communicates lots of information. You've heard that phrase, a picture's worth 1,000 words. But sometimes we have questions about what's in that picture, and your job is to anticipate and answer those questions for your reader. So what types of questions are we talking about? Well, we're talking about journalism type questions. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. So the 5 W's and the H, you'll hear them referred to as that. Again, if this is fun, if you think this activity is fun, consider signing up for journalism. It's an awesome class. So looking at this picture, we've got a couple. They're probably, enjoying, it looks like maybe some coffee. We can tell it's probably chilly out based on their clothing. So if we were going to answer the where question, we might say, enjoying a hot beverage. This couple sits in Central Park. We might talk about when. Fall is upon us. This couple is enjoying the crisp fall with a cup of joe. Why are they, sitting in the park? You might say, on this crisp fall Saturday, this couple is enjoying their Starbucks. If you know who is in the picture, you might use their names. Larry Smith and Sarah Smith are enjoying a cup of coffee in Central Park on this crisp fall day. Again, using language that is very descriptive, get straight to the point, but really try to use strong language. Don't point out the obvious, really. Tell us more about the picture than is obvious. Okay, so today you're going to do this. You're going to type a caption with a picture. And whenever you get in Google Classroom, you will have this slideshow in here. And you have some instructions right here at the top. You have an example first. So this is a picture of 2 journalists. Let me move myself. Isn't that fun how I can just move myself over? Okay, so here we have journalists Bob Woodward left and Carl Bernstein at the Watergate complex in Washington, D.C. Who and where? Why are they important? The pair chronicled their investigation of the scandal later known as Watergate in their book, All the President's Men, published 40 years ago this month. So again, that's why this was significant. They were celebrating an anniversary of the publishing of their book. So there's the who, the what, the why, and when. Well, we don't have when. That's a lot. That's the one that's missing. So again, though, try to provide as much information about your caption as possible. Notice the first word of the caption is never a, the, and. Don't do that. Try to start off with a strong word right off the bat. Okay, so here's your information. Here's your facts. So you're gonna click in this text box right over here And this is where you'll do your typing. So you'll just take your little cursor and erase what I've done, where I've written type here for the caption, and you're going to type your caption there. You're going to try to include as many of the 5 W's and the H as you can. Try to use really strong wording when you're doing your caption. So again, you've got a name, there's your who, you've got what she's doing. She's listening to music and snapping selfies. You've got where, you've got why, and you've got how. So there's your task for today. Super short, sweet, to the point. Tomorrow we will journal. So I will see you tomorrow. I miss your face. I'll have a Google Meet tomorrow at 11 and 1. I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, if I haven't spoken with you or you haven't emailed me, that Google Meet would be a great place to come and ask me any questions you might have. I miss you. Stay inside. Stay safe.